Good morning, students. Let us see here question number 68. The area of right angle triangle is 165 meters square. Determine its base and altitude of the altitude. Okay. If the latter exceeds the former by 7 meter. Okay. Let us see here. In the question, the area of right angle is given. How much? Let us see here. The solution of this question. Suppose this one the right angle triangle. Okay. In this question, the area is given how much? Area is given how much? 165 meter square. The area of this right angle triangle is given how much? 165 meter square. Determine its base and altitude. You have to find out the value of base and altitude if the latter exceeds the former by 7 meter. In the question, if the latter means what? Latter means in the base, the question in this question, determine its base and altitude. In compared to the base and altitude, the altitude comes later, but the base comes former in compared to the altitude, where the altitude comes later in compared to the base. This one the former, whereas this one the later. Okay. Why this one later? Because it comes just after base. That's why the altitude is later, whereas the base is former. In this question, if the latter exceeds the former by 7 meter, means what? The altitude is greater than base by 7 meter. So, if you suppose the base is x meter, we suppose let the base is x, then the altitude becomes how much? 7 meter larger. If the latter exceeds the former by 7 meter, means the latter is 7 more than the base. So, the altitude becomes x plus 7. Means you can write here the altitude becomes x plus 7 meter. This one x meter, this one x plus 7 meter. Okay. Now, according to question, you can write. According to question, you can write area of triangle. Area of triangle, that is half into base into height. The area of triangle is given how much? 165 meter square. We can write 165 meter square, and this equal to half into base. Base is given how much? X, and height is given how much? Height is nothing but altitude x plus 7. Now from here 2 5 are 10, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, 1 13, carry 1, 2 1 are 2, 1 3. It will becomes 330, and it is equal to x into x square plus 7x. And from here we can write this implied that we can write x square plus 7x minus 330 equal to 0. If you multiply, you get how much? Minus 330 x square. Minus 330 x square. We have to factorize this 330 and sit at 7x. Let us see here. 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3. Okay. And from here 11 1 are 11. Okay. And this one becomes how much? 11 3 are 33. Okay. This one 7x. Again 2 5 are 10. Okay. How can you set 11 2 are 22 and 3 5 are 15? This one becomes 22. This one becomes 22 and 3 5 are 15. If you subtract 22x minus 15x, you get how much? 7x. And if you multiply 22x into minus 15x, you get minus 333x square. Okay. So we decided that we have to put x square plus 22x minus 15x in place of 7x and minus 330 equal to 0. Okay. I hope you are able to follow me. Again, from here you can take x as a common. This implies as x as a common, and the remaining will be the x plus 22. Okay. And from here also minus 15 as a common, then x plus 22 also the remaining portion, and it will be equal to 0. And from here we see that the x plus 22 is present on the both terms, so we take x plus 22 as a common, then x minus 15 will be the remaining portion and it will be equal to 0. And from here x equal to minus 22 and x equal to 15. We know that x is nothing but it is a length, so x does not equal to in negative form, so x is equal to positive, that is x equal to 15 meter. And we know that x is a nothing but base, so the base equal to 15 meter, and the altitude becomes how much? X plus 7 means 15 plus 7, that is equal to 22 meter. In this question is asking about the area of the right angle triangle is determine the base and the altitude. The question is asking just the base and altitude. So our answer is 15 meter and 22 meter. I hope you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.